Building a house, it's a big job. Lots to consider, especially the money. That's where building economics comes in. It's about making smart choices with your money. It looks at everything from buying the land to the price of bricks. And it's not just about the initial cost. We think about costs over the entire life of the building. Building economics helps us avoid wasting money. It helps you make smart choices. It's about getting the most out of your investment. Cost planning is like creating a budget for your building. It's about figuring out how much everything will cost before you start. This helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. We use different techniques to estimate costs. Cost control is about keeping track of the money as you build. We need to make sure we're sticking to the budget. Cost planning and control are crucial. That means fewer surprises and happier clients. Imagine you're buying a new car. You wouldn't just look at the purchase price. You'd also think about fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Life cycle costing is similar, but for buildings, it looks at the total cost over its entire life. This includes construction, energy, maintenance, and demolition. Spending more upfront can save money long term. Life cycle costing helps us make sustainable decisions. Value management is a fancy way of saying, how can we get the most bang for our buck? It's about making sure we're spending money on the things that matter most. We start by defining what's important. Do we want a building that's beautiful, functional, sustainable, affordable? Once we know what's important, we can look for ways to achieve those goals without overspending. Sometimes, value engineering means finding cheaper materials that still meet our needs. Other times, it means simplifying the design to reduce construction costs. Value management helps us be creative. It's about finding clever solutions that deliver the best possible value for our clients. Sustainability is a hot topic these days, and for good reason. We need to build in a way that's good for the planet and doesn't deplete our resources. But here's the good news. Sustainable building can actually save you money. By using energy-efficient materials and technologies, we can reduce energy consumption and lower operating costs. Think about it. Better insulation means lower heating and cooling bills. Energy-efficient windows mean less reliance on artificial lighting. And water-saving fixtures mean lower water bills. Sustainable building is a win-win. It's good for the environment and it's good for your wallet. Section 6. Funding the dream financing construction projects. Building projects are expensive. You'll likely need financing to make your project a reality. There are different ways to finance construction. You might get a loan from a bank or partner with investors for funding. Understanding options is crucial. Different options come with different terms. Choosing the right financing can save you money. A solid business plan helps secure financing. Section 7, trouble ahead. Common challenges in construction is a complex process. Things don't always go according to plan. There are risks and challenges we need to be aware of. One common challenge is cost overruns. Unexpected problems can arise, materials prices can fluctuate, and labor costs can increase. That's why careful planning and cost control are so important. Another challenge is project delays. Weather, material shortages, and labor disputes can all cause delays. These delays can be costly, especially if penalties are involved. Then there are regulatory hurdles. Building codes and permits are essential for safety and quality, but navigating the approval process can be time-consuming and complex. Section 8. Navigating the storm, risk and stakeholders. Every construction project involves risk, but the good news is that we can manage these risks and minimize their impact. Risk management is about identifying potential problems before they arise and having plans in place to deal with them. It's about being prepared for the unexpected. Stakeholder coordination is also crucial. Construction projects involve many different parties: architects, engineers, contractors, suppliers, and the client. Effective communication and collaboration are key to keeping the project on track. By managing risks and coordinating stakeholders effectively, we can increase the likelihood of project success. Section 9, the bottom line. Building economics matters. Building economics is about making smart decisions when it comes to construction. It's about understanding the costs, maximizing value, and ensuring that our projects are financially viable. Whether you're building a home, a business, or a public infrastructure project, building economics matters. It helps us create buildings that are not only beautiful and functional, but also affordable, sustainable, and built to last. By applying the principles of building economics, we can create a built environment that meets our needs today without compromising the needs of future generations. That's something worth building on.